When I'm trying to find the size of the head, because I'm generally get it wrong, like if I just try and wing it, it's always too big or too small, just without fail. Although we can't see his front, there is this standard proportion, but the average proportion is that from the chin to the top of the head is the same as from the chin to the nipple line. But I use that as a frame of reference. So I'll hold up my pencil, I'll measure this distance, and then I'll drop it down and I'll see when I do that, where on the body does it land. So this should be the height of the head here. So now I have a height to aim for. Hopefully that's showing up on the screen. Yeah, I can see it. So that is kind of step one, getting the height nailed down. Step two, I will look at where the neck seems to come out of, and I'm going to look at if there's a line, some kind of a straight line on the front of the face. So if I look at that trajectory, where is that lining up on the body? Sometimes I'll continue that further if I need to, and I'll do the same thing on the back of the head. And that's my beginning shape. I'll start cutting off corners to get a little bit more of the character of a head rather than a block. Something like that is fine. And then I'll give him a little bit of a shape on the front of his face, and something that's going to be a theme, I feel like is just generally a theme with me, is I don't typically get a likeness on my first shot. So when I'm sketching these, it's just up to chance with me whether or not I get any kind of a likeness on somebody. All right, let's give him an ear. Mostly what I want here is that shadow behind the ear. What I looked at to try and get this, which I may or may not be too horribly accurate on, is I'm trying to look from the top of the ear to the front of the face. When I sketch the head and then the body and I don't do any measuring, or I sketch the head and the body and then I go and I focus on the head, it just ends up not in proportion with everything.
This video features highlights from a full drawing lesson, which can be found on patreon.com/School of Realist Art. There you will find extended lessons, multiple examples, reference photos, and other tutorials. Check out patreon.com/School of Realist Art.